Frank, you're up next, and you're going to wind us down here. So, Frank, we saved the best for last, sir.
I appreciate you having me, members of the subcommittee, Chairman Smith. Thanks for allowing us to speak here today. I am the CEO of a company called Metafide, and what we do is we have a global competition of users with AI, and they predict asset prices, and it runs on blockchain, and it's an example. I'm here basically as an example of companies like mine. There are hundreds of them that are looking for regulatory clarity so we can find a home. There's billions to trillions of dollars out there looking to innovate and build these kind of financial products, predictive asset derivatives, and things like that. And it needs a place to go, right? So the first point is, the state has a chance here to attract and onshore companies that left during a time when regulatory schemes were either hostile or unclear. So you can bring that to the state, and it could benefit the citizens quite a bit. I'm not particularly focused on the grid or energy policy because the things that I'm talking about don't augment or add load. The other thing that I would like to point out is the state has a chance to do what it does best, which is protect the property rights of the citizens in a way that lead the nation and the world. And by doing this, you're saying the citizens of the state own their property, they own their work product, the government can't turn them off from economic participation because they said the wrong thing or asked the wrong question, backed the wrong candidate. And that may seem far off, but it's not. You have a chance here to safeguard the citizens of the state in a way that will be monumentally important in the future. And I appreciate your time. I'm willing to take any questions.
Thank you very much for testimony. Any further questions at this time? I think we're good at this point.
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, in light of all of this, and we have listened to everyone, and seems like everybody's on board out there. One time they're all together. So I'd like to make a motion that we approve this and pass it on to our full committee.
Thank you, Representative Anderson. We had a motion. We have a second. We got a second. Thank you, Representative Hager. On that, any further discussion? All in favor signify by saying aye and raising your right hand. Let the records reflect that was unanimous, so there's none opposed. Thank you very much, and we appreciate all of your time coming after this testimony, and this bill now moves to full committee. Thank you very much, and I do believe that full committee hearing is scheduled for later this week. We're going to, you're aware of that, and Thursday morning is that, so thank you for that.